Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. Today I want to tell you how to use your air conditioner the most efficient way possible. First of all, when you're using your air conditioner, when you have a 30 amp camper, it's my recommendation that you don't use your electric water heater, because with the electric water heater on and the air conditioner compressor on at the same time, you're probably going to trip a breaker at the pedestal. But with that being known, let's learn how to use the air conditioner efficiently. So air conditioners, they don't make cool, they remove heat, and a lot of people are unaware of that. So that being known, let's try to save the cool from the night before. So like we all know in the evenings it's a little cooler than it is during the day with the sun shining. So when we wake up in the morning, let's turn our air conditioner on and use it as a climate control system. Let's maintain that temperature from the night before the best we can, rather than letting it warm up tremendously inside our RV and then having to run the air conditioner for long periods of time using lots of power to get rid of all that heat so it feels cool for us. So let's hold on to that cool as the night before, as I mentioned. So when you get up in the morning, turn your air conditioner on, set the desired temperature, the 62, the 64, the 68, whatever is a good temperature for you, and let it run all day. Now, I can already hear my mom in my ear telling me to save power and shut it off if I'm not going to be around, but in this case, I'm going to disagree with her, because I know if I leave it running to maintain the temperature in my coach, I'm going to be using a lot less energy than if I were to let it warm up to a very high temperature in my coach and have to have that air conditioner compressor on for long periods of time to draw all that heat out so it feels cool for us. So let's make sure that we set the temperature in the morning and maintain all day. If we've got a lot of sun coming in our shades, let's pull the shades down. Keep those UVs out. That's going to help the air conditioner a lot as well. The other thing I will do when I'm pulling temperature down for the first time when I arrive at the park is I'm going to use the quick cool option on my air conditioner. On this Furrion unit right here, it's actually this slide bar. So instead of pushing the air through the vents in the camper that we see throughout the camper, like this guy here, we're actually pushing it right down here, which is a lot less resistance, and it's going to move a lot more air. So an air conditioner does about a 16 to 20 degree differential every time air goes through the evaporator and condenser coils. So that means any air that goes in the air conditioner is coming out about 16 to 20 degrees cooler. So we're recycling the inside air. And if we can make that air move very quickly and efficiently, we're going to recycle more air quicker, which is going to bring down the temperature in our coach quicker. So I like to use the quick cool option. I'll even shut doors to the bedrooms in the bathroom, so I'm cooling down the main body of the coach where we're going to be living until bedtime when we go to the bedrooms, and then I'll open those up. Once I have satisfied the thermostat, or I've brought the temperature down in that room, I'll go ahead and close the quick cool option. I'll force it through the vents, which will feed the bedrooms. It's going to be a little bit more quiet, so a little bit nicer to be around. Hopefully that happens transpires towards the dinner time crowd, right? So it's not loud with the air conditioner on. And then we can maintain the temperature using the vents. But that quick cool option works really good to bring the temperature down in the main body of the coach very quickly. So a couple things to take here. Make sure if you are using your electric hot water heater, don't run your air conditioner, or vice versa. You run it on gas with the air conditioner on so we don't trip that breaker. Let's maintain the temperature from the night before. Don't listen to our mom here. Let's maintain that temperature. Turn our air conditioner on in the morning and maintain all day long. If it's going to be bright, let's draw those shades. And let's cool down the main body of the coach with the quick cool option, and then switch it over to the vents after we have maintained temperature. Thanks for watching Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road, and happy camping.